So here's what I would do to get more clients. Let's say you don't have any clients right now. What would I do in your situation? Step one is to find a platform that has leads, whether that's Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Step two is to connect to those leads that you think match the client avatar and the services that you provide. Step three is to actually reach out to those leads and see if they're actually interested in the services. You can message, hey, I provide this service. Are you interested in the service that I provide? Step four is to take notes and to adapt your messaging. Check which clients aren't interested in the services that you provide, see which ones do and which ones resonate with your message, and then you continuously find more and more of the leads that are resonating with your message and adapt your message to the ones that aren't. Step five is to continuously post on that platform so that clients can see that you're active, and that way it'll help nurture those leads that may not respond the first time, may not accept you the first time, may not buy the first time, because you need to understand that there's a certain percentage of people that will buy immediately, there's a certain percentage of people that will buy in 3 to 9 months, and then there's also a certain percentage of people that will never buy from you. Not everyone's going to buy immediately, so you need to continuously be posting on that platform so that the people that do want to buy in 3 to 9 months, those people might be reminded of you 6 months down the line when you make a post, and then those clients will actually turn into paying clients that you can work with. You need to consistently reach out, connect, message people, and post every single month. And what I like to use is using the rule of 100 as a nice metric. So you connect to 100 people, you see how many of those people actually accept you. If it's around 50%, that's good. Once 100 people have actually accepted you, you message all of them, see how many of those people respond. Once you get 100 responses, you see how many of those people actually convert into a call where you can go through the actual project details, try sell them, etc. And then once you've done 100 calls, you see how many of those people actually buy. That way, you can actually do some accurate measurements with actual data to see which performance and KPI that you actually need to fix. Now, if you haven't connected to 100 people, if you haven't messaged 100 people, then you're just not doing enough volume, and then that's the problem you need to fix. You simply just need to do more volume. If you have reached out to 100 people, you have messaged 100 people, you've done 100 calls with potential clients, and let's say your call close rate is 10%, then you know, okay, once clients are jumping on the phone, my sales is actually where I'm struggling, and that's what I need to improve. If you're connecting to 100 people and only like 5% of people are accepting you, then you know that it's something to do with your profile, types of clients that you're trying to connect to. If you're messaging 100 people and only 5% of them are responding, then you know it's something to do with your messaging that's not resonating with the actual client. And these are active and measurable ways to progress and actually improve your process to actually start getting clients. Really, what most people do is they just make a bunch of projects, they're posting randomly on different platforms, they never actually go out there and outreach to clients, they never connect to potential clients, they never try to find them. They just kind of wait around, and there's no like measurement and performance, which is what stops them from being able to have a handle on the client process that they're getting, the lead generation processes that they're using. And when then they do need clients, or their clients just start to dry up, there's no process in place to go out there and get more. So this is the process that I would follow if I were you. I would make sure I'm tracking my data, using the numbers, using the rule of 100 to make sure that all of the KPIs are in place, making sure that I have enough data using the rule of 100. And if you're not getting to the point where you're connecting to 100 people, messaging 100 people, getting on a call with 100 people, then you know it's simply just a volume issue, and then that's the problem that you need to solve.